Welcome to our Google Keep tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential features of the Google Keep mobile app, showing you how to create, organize, and manage your notes effectively. First, when you open the Google Keep mobile app, you see this type of interface. Simply click on this icon to create a note. Now here you can keep your text, links, and many other things that we discuss further. You'll notice the cursor defaults to the body of the note rather than the title. Let's create a new note with a title. Now if you see, it does not change any appearance with the title, but it is helpful for organization. Let's explore more options in a note. If you open a note and see down here, click on this plus icon. Here you can see additional options. First one you can see is take a photo. Click on this, you can take a photo directly for your notes. The next one is add image. Here you can add an image to your note. Simply click on this and select the picture from files. Now this picture is added to your note. Simply go back. Now you can differentiate notes with pictures. If you want to delete this picture, open the note. Click on the picture. Now if you see on the top right side, click on these dots. Here you can see the delete option. Forward towards the next option, which is drawing. Let's try this. In this, you can create random drawings to remember the note type. Simply go back. Click on these dots and hide checkboxes. Now here you see the note with your drawing. If you want to delete this drawing section, simply open the note and click on the drawing. After that, click on these dots and delete. Step forward to the next option, which is recording. By this, you can record and add audio to your note. Let's create a new note to explore more options of Google Keep. Now if we want to add checkboxes, simply click on these tick boxes. Instead of just text, a checklist allows you to mark items as completed, making it ideal for shopping lists. We mark an item, it will go down into the completed section. We can also uncheck the completed items. If we want to hide checkboxes, our note converts into simple text. Click on these dots and hide checkboxes. Again, add the tick boxes as earlier. If we see the options down here, we can also create a new checklist by clicking on it. Next is drawing, which you can directly create as a drawing note by clicking on this, as with audio notes and new photo notes. Let's explore other options within a note. At the top, you got 3 options. The first one is pin, the second is reminder, and the last one is archive. If you pin a note, it will appear on top in the main view. You can also use this for tasks that are important to you. If you don't want it, simply open a note and unpin it. Next is reminder. Here, you can choose reminder default options if it is useful. Otherwise, you can choose a date and time according to you. If you add a reminder, it will add a reminder tag to your note. Now, Google Keep reminds you at the same time or date. You can also add a location-based reminder to your note. It is very useful for grocery or shopping. When you are close to your selected location, it reminds you. It is a very helpful feature of the Google Keep mobile app. Next is archive. If you archive a note, it will disappear from the main view. Keep in mind it was not deleted. You can access the archived notes anytime through the archive folder. Open this sidebar and select the archive folder. Now, as you can see, your archive note will appear here. If you want it again on the main view, simply open the note and unarchive it. Let's go back to the main view. Here, the note appears again. Let's open the note again and explore other options. If you see down there, here's the color option. You can add color to any note, highlight it on the main view. It helps you to maintain regular tasks. Now, open a note and you see the more options on the right side. There are many more options in this. Let's start with labels. In this, you can create labels and add them to your note. Let's create a new one as today's work. You can also add one or more labels to a single note. If you close the note, you can also see the label tag to which you can differentiate it from other notes. The next option is collaborators. This is an important option if you are in an organization. With this, you can share any note with other persons on Google Keep by adding their email. Here, I'm writing my other email to show you how it works. Let's open it with my other email. If you see at the top, you can see the same note that we shared. Go back to the previous account. Other remaining options are send. By this, you can copy your note to Google Documents and share it via other mobile apps. Next is make a copy. It makes a copy of your note in the main view. The last remaining option is Delete. It will remove your note permanently, but you can also access your deleted notes through the trash folder. If you can see, it will delete your note permanently after 7 days. But before that, you can restore it if needed. For that, simply click on these dots and restore it. Hope we covered all the options. At the end, let's discuss its settings. You can customize it according to you, like display options, default reminders, and sharing options. Its search bar is the shortcut way to access the notes if you have many notes in your Keep. It shortlists notes by type, labels, and collaborators. Hope you all understand the usage of Google Keep. If you liked the video, thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Thank you.